Welcome back to the Earl Entertainment YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be taking this here 2020 Dodge Challenger Hellcat up New England Dragway. The reason being, about a week and a half from now, we've got this car entered in to the Jet Cars Under the Stars Gamblers Race event. It's a $1,000 prize if we win. So, tonight we're going to be going down there, running this thing over and over again, burning some rubber, beating up on the Chevy guys, but mainly getting this thing dialed into the 1/8 mile, getting consistent, getting comfortable, and to a point where we can confidently enter that race next week with a good chance to win it. So glad you guys are with me. Let's go race some hell. Bracket racing that we did, we actually won the event. We were in a manual transmission Mustang GT350, our 2017 car. Now we're gonna have a big advantage this time because we're running an automatic, so the car should be much more consistent. What bracket racing is, I want to break that down a little bit for you guys briefly. Now, it's not about having the fastest car, it's all about consistency, all right? Dialing in at what you're gonna run and not going under that time. So let's just say that we dial in at a 7-second 1/8 mile, all right? If we run faster than that, we run a 6.9, we're disqualified, we lose. So the idea is to get as close as to your dial in time without going under. Now, the major advantage of running this car, it's an automatic transmission, so it should be very consistent. However, these Hellcats are overpowered for the rear tires that they come with from the factory. If the car breaks loose and you can't get traction, you can't stay consistent, all right? So I got a little trick up my sleeve. Right here on the dashboard, I can actually dial down the power. I can bring this thing from 717 horsepower all the way down to about 500 horsepower. Now I think if we turn this thing down to about 500 horse, I think we're going to hook up. I don't think we're going to break loose, and I think that we can run a consistent 1/8 mile every single time. How well is it going to hook up at 500? I think good. We're about to find out. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we made it. We got through tech. We are number 321 tonight. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna dial this thing back a little bit, turn it down to like 500 horse, and see if we can't get her to hook up consistently, and figure out what we should expect for a dial. Let's go. Alright guys, quick change of plans. We've got a GT500 pulling up beside us, so we're going to turn this thing up. 717, we're going to run it with him. I can't turn this thing down when a Shelby Mustang pulls up beside us. That just ain't right. took him by probably 3 car lengths. We're just gonna leave the helmet right on because we're gonna make multiple runs here right off the bat. Thank you.
No problem.
So we ran a 12.4. That Mustang ran a 13. Come across the line at 121. Now our eighth of mile, 8.3. This thing was just choking and stumbling and fumbling off of the line. And part of that is I got the traction control on right now. If we shut that off, should definitely get even more rowdy. All right, guys, so we're down to 500 horse now. That Mustang's pulling up beside us again, so I guess at 500 horse it'll be a pretty good race. All right, 500 horse. That was a good race. We were right side by side with that Mustang that time. We still beat him, but not by much. I bet that boy's proud. He don't realize we just turned it down for him. Thank you.
No problem.
So we ran a 13.2. That Mustang ran a 13.8. Our eighth of mile that time was 8.77. So, with the power turned all the way up, not getting any good traction, our eighth of mile was 8.33. Power turned down, hooking up without breaking loose, 8.77. So let's see how close we get to that 8.77 on this next pass, leaving it at 500 horse. Remember, our goal is to stay consistent. We want to get the same thing every time. All right, 8.77. 8.82. I just realized we had the AC on that whole time. So we've done a 8.77, an 8.82, and another 8.82. So we're running anywhere between an 8.77 and an 8.9. There goes that Cadillac. That Mustang's right behind him. I'd like to run that Cadillac.
dance with grace. Got a wildfire heart in a tight-laced place. Ripping through rules like paper mache. No time for whispers, no time for delay. Bang, bang, shoot.
Here comes that Cadillac up behind us. Just pulled out in front of him. We'll see if we can get him to run with us.
Bang, bang, shoot. No filibuster, no dodging the light, no shade to mustard.
Yes, sir. We got him right behind us. He's pulling into the lanes. Let's go.
They'll say slow down, but I speed right up, chasing the stars in a rusted old truck. Words like sparks set the air ablaze, leaving no trail, just a smoke-filled haze. Bang, bang, true, no filibuster. Stand your ground, break the bluster. Bang, bang, true, no filibuster, no mud on boots, just raw combustor.
CT5B Blackwing. We're gonna do a burnout for
I'm
this
a
one.
runaway train, no brakes to hold. A story untamed, worth its weight in gold. No time for fences, no time for the dust. I'll burn the script if it crumbles my trust. Bang, bang, true. No filibuster, no second guessing, no fluster. Bang, bang, true. No filibuster, no mud on boots, just raw combustor.
He got us by a fender. He was using launch control. I think if we would have done that, we might have taken him. Thank you. It actually says we ran a faster quarter mile. We ran a 12.2, he ran a 12.23.
Don't even say too much.
He must have left early.
If you know, you know. Yeah. I've been moving different lately. Same me, but they feel me lately. Whole vibe elevated, wavy, why? Can't explain it. Something changed me. I don't talk it, I just show it. I'm here. New doors open, I just go in. They keep watching, I stay focused. Different level, never know that.
Let's see if we can't take this Cadillac this time, boys.
Same road, but it feel brand new. Same city, but a better view. Same people, I just see it clear. Energy shift when I step through. I ain't loud, I just let it breathe. Quiet wins, they don't notice me, but they feel it when I hit the scene. Like a glow, they can't really see. Used to stress, now it roll off. Oh wait, I done shook that off. They still playing in the same spot. I done leveled, I don't say a lie. I don't force it, it just a line. Every move right on time. They don't see it, that's fine. I've been working, but I've been moving different lately.
He took us again. We just couldn't hook up. Thank you. No problem. Yeah, that time we ran a 12.4. Didn't hook up at all. Typically this car is running like an 11.6, 11.5. But I'm sure also on a better night, that Cadillac would probably hook up better too. Both of these cars should be in the 11s, really. Come across the line faster than him. That's the thing, is we're catching up. He's doing 120 coming across. We're doing 121. It's just off the line he's taking us. All right, guys, the results are in. So this car is much more consistent with the power turned down to 500 horse with the current setup, factory tires. So we're getting between an 877 and an 890. So the furthest spread was a 1.3 tenths of a second. Pretty consistent. Now with the power turned all the way up, the spread was more like 3/10 of a second. If we can stay between, you know, a tenth of a second on all of our runs in this competition, we got a good chance of taking that money home. Now, I got to give it to the GM boys today. That Cadillac CT5V Blackwing took us consistently. The best race we had with him was a 12.42 to a 12.40. We actually ran the 12.40, but his reaction time was 3/10 of a second better, so he beat us, I guess, by a tenth of a second. We consistently beat that GT500 tonight, but as always, New England Dragway never disappoints. What a great time. Pretty much had the track to ourselves tonight. Till the next time, Earl Entertainment. Peace!